Hello guys, what's going on? Welcome back to Meow Coder. So this is the fourth tutorial of JavaScript. So in this tutorial we are going to talk about the one of the most important topic, that is variable. So in every programming language this variable topic is there, and you need the variable to start your coding in any programming language type. Okay, so if you remember in your childhood or in your school life, your teacher had teach you mathematics, and in that mathematics you used to write x is equals to 5 or x is equals to apple. And whenever he uh, write anything, for example, if your teacher write a statement like let juice comes from x, so what he wants to tell here that juice comes from apple. Why? Because x is equals to apple. So in this case x is a variable. A variable is declared as x, and the value which is assigned to that x variable is apple. So similarly in JavaScript we will declare our variable with any alphabet or any letter, means with English letter, and or any word, or you can use the underscore before it, like underscore x or underscore abc. This will be your variable. Okay, but you can't use number or any special symbol like at the rate or 123 to declare your variable. And to assign any value to your variable, you have to write equals to, and you have to write the value of your variable like 2. And for this string you have to use double inverted comma. In that double inverted comma you have to write the value of your string. And to end your variable with semicolon. For example, if we declare a variable called underscore abc, and which will be having the value 5 and will be end with the semicolon, so this variable become a number variable, and the value which this variable is containing is the 5. So okay, so here the basic introduction of variable is completed. So what we are going to learn, or we are going to talk about variable in this tutorial. So variable in JavaScript is nothing but a placeholder which is containing which holds the something or a value, or and the value will be in the form of number or text or integer number, or a boolean number, or boolean, or null or undefined. So here we will talk about the different types of our variable, and the different types of variable in JavaScript are: first one is number, not first one, but we are initializing this as number one as number. Number two is what string. Number three is boolean. Number four is object variable. Fifth fifth is null variable. Sixth is undefined variable. I think I am I think there are 7 variable types. Yes. Okay. One more is array variable. This array, ARRAY, array variable. So we will take the example of each type of variable. So first let's start with the number. So in JavaScript you have to tell your JavaScript code that you are using variable, and to do that you have to write var to declare your variable. So for example, var x is equals to 5 colon. So the declare variable is x and the value assigned to that variable is 5. So that's why that variable becomes the number variable. And to show the output of your variable, you can write document.write, pass the variable name here, that is x, then write colon, semicolon, save it. And now if you see the output of this variable, so 5, you can use the integer or number also, 5.6. and if you save this and see the output 5.6, you can use negative number also, negative integer or negative whole number also, and save it. So here's the output. So this one is number variable. And for the string variable, if you assign variable var y is equals to, for string you have to use double inverted comma, and you have to write your string here, I am mu coder, and to end your variable with semicolon, save it. And to show the output, document dot write, pass the variable name, semicolon, save. Now see the output, that is hi, I am mucoder. What if you want to show the double inverted show this mucoder in double inverted comma in output? So if you write double inverted comma for mucoder, and if you see the output, then oh no, nothing is appearing. Why? Because nothing is showing, because your JavaScript is not that much smart like me and it means it is thinking that there are 2 statements or 2 strings, and that's why the output is empty. So to overcome this issue, what you have to use, you have to use backslash here. Okay, backslash, that is escape character, and here also. And if you save it and refresh it, oh sorry, with backslash okay, what I did, I had in the inside of this double inverted comma. So the first backslash you had to write before the double inverted comma, and the second one is before the double inverted comma, that double inverted comma which you want to display in the output. So if you refresh this, now see the hi, I am mucoder, and that mucoder is in double inverted comma. So for that you have to use this escape character. So this one is variable character. So what you have to remember, that we have to write a variable character, sorry, this one is string character, string variable. So to write the string variable, you have to use double inverted comma, and in that double inverted comma, whatever you write will be the string character, string variable. Why I am saying character, I don't know. Okay, now the third one is Boolean. So Boolean represent a logical value that can be either true or false. Okay, so it may be true or it may be false. Okay, so if it assign a variable x is equals to true, or if you remember in any login page, uh, uh, if you had designed any login page, then that page must have. So what if you open any login page or any sign up page while you are login? So in that condition, if you tell your program that if any user is already login, and if we enter the sign up page, then redirect to some other place. So for that you can use this variable. For example, where is is logged is equals to true, semicolon. So if with the help of this variable, you can redirect your already logged in user from sign up page to the other page. Okay, you can take the example. If you already log in, and if you open a sign up Facebook page, if you are already logged in on your Facebook profile, and if you open sign up Facebook page, then it will directly redirect you to the home page of your Facebook profile. Why? Because in that code, in the code of that sign up page, that where this type of variable is used, that boolean variable is used. Okay, now the fourth one is array variable. You can for the variable, you have to assign your variable, declare your variable, that is variable vi, and for array variable you have to use square brackets, and in that square bracket you have to write your array like 1 comma space, then 2 comma space, 3 comma space 4, and end your variable with semicolon. Okay, if you want to see the output will be 1 2 3 4. Similarly, you can use a string in the array variable, but you have to use single inverted comma, then comma, single inverted comma, and you have to write the value in the single inverted comma like this. Okay, if you see the output of this variable, then you will see the output as apple comma mango. Okay, here the array variable is completed, and next is object variable. So object is an unordered collection of key value pairs, where key are strings and values can be of any type. Okay, so object is like what we can say. Okay, we will see the example. Let person. So the person is the object variable, and it is known as key. Okay, and open, then curly braces, curly bracket to open. Now enter, curly brackets close with semicolon, means end with semicolon. Now the anything which you will write in this will be the values, key values. So I will write name of that person, semicolon. For the key values you have to write name colon the value, that is mu. Now comma for this next key value, age, colon 22. If you are ending your key value here, then no need to add comma. So the output, to see the output of this type of this object type variable, you have to write the variable name with the key values. For example, there are two key values, name and age. If you want to display the age, then write person.age in your document.write output code. Okay, then the output will be 22. If you write person.name, then the output will be meow. Okay, so this is object variable. So in this null variable, the null represent the absence of any object value. It is a special value denoting in intentional absence of an object value. For example, uh, var data is equals to null. So this, sorry, var data is equals to null. So this variable data which is having the value null. Okay, this is null variable, and last one is undefined variable. That is, I will define means I will declare a variable like variable x, and I will not define its value, because the value will be for example, if I am creating a program and in which I am taking the value from the user of that program, then in this case I will use the undefined variable. So here we learn all types of variable, and from start we had gone through the introduction of the variable, then how to use variable and the different types of variable, and how to use that different types of variable in your program. So if you have any issue in this variable topic, then you can ask me in comment. And if you want to watch this video in Hindi, you can click on the uh, you can see the link in the description. And thank you for watching the video, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Bye bye.